so excited to be here, and clearly I couldn't have picked a better day because you're looking at how stunning it is behind me. First of all, I have to tell you, this is not in Bombay City, well, just about on the outskirts of Bombay City. I'm at Peacock Life by Shabnam Gupta in Karjat. I cannot tell you how happy and excited I am to be here. Ever since they started the store way back in 2010, it was all about making design available, affordable and accessible to everyone. And that as just an idea, as a thought, is very, 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 very close to my heart. So ever since they started, it's always been about, at least for me, it's always been about walking in and finding something different. The novelty, a little piece of furniture that has been created from something totally unexpected. And no matter who you were, you walked in and you had a smile on your face. And again, that for me is very, very special. That for me is also everything that Shabnam Gupta stands for. Pieces are all India proud. There is a delightful thread of nostalgia in most of the designs, and clearly, nature seems to be their forever muse. When Peacock Life relocated to Karjat in 2020, during the throes of the pandemic, little did anyone realize how wonderful the shift would be. And especially so if you decide to visit during the monsoon, like I have.
Oh my God! The range of artifacts here is inspiring and prompting me to give you styling tips for your homes. Art and artifacts, especially ones that are artisanally made, will add depth and dimension to your spaces. Handcrafted items with their unique imperfections and intricate detailing introduce a sense of authenticity and richness that mass-produced items often lack. Pieces, whether they are paintings, sculptures, or even wall hangings, will serve as eye-catching focal points for any space. They draw attention and obviously set the tone for the entire space. Now, a striking piece of art can also become the centerpiece that ties your entire decor together.
You know, after all the crazy hours I've spent at work this last month, I have to say, this was definitely the highlight. Shopping in this beautiful weather has definitely been more than I expected. Thank you for visiting with me, but I'd love to hear your take on the store once you've been here.